In the serene teachings of Buddhism, we find a timeless guide to navigating the complex terrain of decision-making. Buddhism, with its profound insights and spiritual wisdom, provides a roadmap for not only making correct decisions, but also fostering a mindset that can handle the challenges life throws at us with equanimity. In this video, we delve into key aspects of Buddhist teachings that can illuminate our path towards making decisions that align with our higher selves. 1. Mindfulness. At the heart of Buddhist teachings lies the concept of mindfulness, the practice of being fully present in the current moment. In a world that often pulls our attention in myriad directions, mindfulness serves as an anchor, allowing us to cut through the noise and focus on the essence of the present. By cultivating mindfulness, we train our minds to observe thoughts without being overwhelmed by them. In decision-making, this practice becomes invaluable. When we approach choices with a mindful awareness, we are better able to understand our motivations, fears, and desires. This clarity is the first step towards making correct decisions. Mindfulness teaches us to step back from the constant chatter of the mind, giving us the space to evaluate situations with a calm and collected mind. The beauty of mindfulness lies in its applicability to all aspects of life. From the mundane to the profound, each moment becomes an opportunity to practice presence. In decision-making, this means extending mindfulness beyond specific contemplative sessions and integrating it into our daily routines. As we cultivate mindfulness, we become attuned to the subtleties of our inner landscape. We notice the ripple effect of decisions, how a small choice can reverberate through our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Mindfulness illuminates the interconnected web of our experiences, highlighting the intricate dance between cause and effect. Mindfulness is a potent tool for building emotional resilience. In the face of uncertainty or criticism, a mindful mind does not succumb to the turbulence of reactivity. Instead, it stands as a pillar of strength, anchored in the present moment. This resilience is not a shield against challenges, but a source of inner fortitude that allows us to face difficulties with grace and courage. In essence, mindfulness in decision-making is a transformative practice. It is a conscious choice to engage with life's unfolding tapestry, recognizing that each decision is an opportunity to embody presence, compassion, and wisdom. As we continue to explore the profound teachings of Buddhism, let mindfulness be the guiding light that infuses our decisions with clarity, intention, and the gentle strength of an awakened heart. 2. Compassion. Compassion, a cornerstone of Buddhist philosophy, extends beyond mere sympathy. It is the deep understanding and empathy for the suffering of others. In the context of decision-making, compassion becomes a guiding light, reminding us that our choices impact not only ourselves, but also those around us. When faced with difficult decisions, incorporating compassion into our thought process allows us to consider the well-being of all involved. It encourages us to look beyond our immediate desires and contemplate the broader consequences of our actions. By nurturing compassion, we create a ripple effect of positivity, fostering harmonious relationships and a sense of interconnectedness. In the face of criticism or negativity, compassion becomes a shield against the arrows of hostility. Buddhist teachings emphasize responding to criticism with understanding and love, rather than reacting with defensiveness or aggression. Compassion allows us to recognize the suffering underlying harsh words and respond in a way that promotes healing rather than perpetuating conflict. 3. Wisdom. Wisdom is the ability to discern the truth beyond the surface of appearances. It involves seeing the interconnected nature of all things and understanding the impermanence of the material world. In decision-making, wisdom guides us to look beyond immediate gains or losses and perceive the deeper long-term implications. To cultivate wisdom, one must embrace the impermanence of life and acknowledge the transient nature of joy and suffering. In the face of decisions, a wise mind considers the impermanence of circumstances, recognizing that change is the only constant. This awareness empowers us to make decisions rooted in a deeper understanding of the dynamic nature of existence. Wisdom entails recognizing the interconnectedness of all phenomena. In decision-making, this means understanding that our choices reverberate through the intricate web of existence, affecting not only ourselves, but also the broader community and the environment. Wisdom guides us to balance short-term gains with long-term consequences. In the fast-paced world of instant gratification, it's easy to be swayed by the allure of immediate benefits. Wisdom, however, invites us to take a step back and consider the broader implications of our choices. 4. Non-attachment. Non-attachment is a fundamental principle in Buddhism that teaches us to release our attachment to outcomes. It does not advocate indifference, but rather encourages a mindset that is free from the burden of excessive clinging or aversion. In the realm of decision-making, non-attachment liberates us from the fear of making the wrong choice. When we approach decisions with non-attachment, we let go of the anxiety associated with potential outcomes. This doesn't mean we become indifferent. Rather, we learn to appreciate the process rather than fixating on the result. Non-attachment is the key to making decisions with a clear mind, unclouded by the shadows of fear and desire. Non-attachment in decision-making involves approaching choices with an open hand rather than a clenched fist. It means acknowledging the impermanence of outcomes and releasing the need for decisions to validate our sense of self-worth. When we cultivate non-attachment, decisions are made with a sense of inner freedom, unburdened by the weight of expectations or fears. Non-attachment does not imply disengagement from life. Rather, it is a dance between active participation and a profound letting go. In decision-making, this dance involves fully engaging with the choices before us, while maintaining a spacious awareness that transcends identification with the outcomes. 5. Right speech. Right speech is encapsulated by 3 fundamental qualities: refraining from false speech, avoiding divisive speech, and abstaining from harsh or harmful speech. Each of these pillars contributes to the creation of a communication landscape that fosters understanding, harmony, and positive outcomes in the realm of decision-making. In Buddhism, the concept of right speech emphasizes the importance of communication that is truthful, kind, and beneficial. The words we use have the power to shape our reality and influence the decisions we make. By cultivating right speech, we align our verbal expressions with the values of mindfulness and compassion. When making decisions, the way we communicate plays a pivotal role. Right speech guides us to express our thoughts and intentions clearly and authentically. It reminds us to avoid harmful speech that can cause suffering to ourselves and others. By choosing our words wisely, we contribute to a positive and constructive decision-making process. 6. Moral discipline. Moral discipline involves living in a way that avoids harm to oneself and others. In decision-making, moral discipline serves as a compass, pointing us towards choices that are aligned with virtuous conduct. Moral discipline provides a robust ethical framework for decision-making, guiding us to consider the impact of our choices on the intricate web of life. In the face of ethical dilemmas, this framework becomes a compass that points us towards decisions that align with the principles of compassion, justice, and integrity. Moral discipline is synonymous with personal integrity, the alignment of one's actions with ethical principles. In decision-making, personal integrity becomes the bedrock upon which choices are made. It involves a commitment to honesty, transparency, and accountability in every aspect of decision-making. Moral discipline is not reserved for grandiose decisions, but extends to the fabric of our daily choices. From the mundane to the significant, every decision becomes an opportunity to express ethical values and contribute to the greater good. When faced with decisions, it's essential to consider the ethical implications. Moral discipline encourages us to act in ways that promote well-being and minimize harm. By upholding ethical standards, we create a framework that ensures our decisions contribute to a more compassionate and just world. 7. Clarity. Clarity in Buddhism involves seeing things as they truly are, free from distortion or delusion. It is the result of practicing mindfulness, wisdom, and non-attachment. In the context of decision-making, clarity allows us to cut through the fog of confusion and approach choices with a lucid mind. Clarity is not a static state, but a dynamic quality that evolves through practice. In decision-making, the continuous cultivation of clarity becomes a transformative journey. It involves an ongoing commitment to self-awareness, mindfulness, and the application of wisdom in every facet of life. Cultivating clarity involves self-reflection and an honest examination of our motives and biases. When we strip away the layers of self-deception, we gain a clearer understanding of the factors influencing our decisions. Clarity empowers us to make choices that are in alignment with our true values and aspirations. 8. Intention. Intention is the driving force that propels our actions and decisions into the world. In Buddhism, the quality of intention is considered crucial, as it determines the ethical nature and karmic consequences of our deeds. In the realm of decision-making, understanding and cultivating wholesome intentions become pivotal to creating a positive and transformative impact. Intention is intimately connected with mindfulness, the practice of cultivating present-moment awareness. Mindfulness allows us to observe our intentions without judgment, bringing a clear and non-reactive awareness to the motivations that underlie our decisions. The Buddhist concept of intention underscores the importance of setting positive and constructive intentions. In decision-making, the purity of our intentions determines the ethical quality of our choices. By aligning our intentions with mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom, we lay the foundation for decisions that lead to personal growth and collective well-being. When faced with decisions, it's crucial to examine the intentions behind our choices. Are they driven by self-interest or a genuine desire to contribute positively to the world? Intention serves as the compass of the heart, guiding us towards decisions that resonate with our deepest values and aspirations. In the rich tapestry of Buddhist teachings, we discover a profound guide for making correct decisions. Mindfulness teaches us to be present in the moment. Compassion urges us to consider the welfare of all. Wisdom provides insight into the nature of reality, and non-attachment liberates us from fear. Right speech, moral discipline, and clarity serve as ethical and practical tools, while intention directs the compass of our hearts. By integrating these teachings into our decision-making process, we not only enhance our ability to make wise choices, but also foster a mindset that can navigate the challenges of life with grace and resilience. In the face of adversity or criticism, the principles of Buddhism empower us to deal with haters with equanimity, responding with compassion and wisdom rather than reacting with negativity. May the timeless wisdom of Buddhism illuminate our path, guiding us towards decisions that bring about not only personal fulfillment, but also contribute to the well-being of the world around us. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and conscious decision-making, may the teachings of Buddhism inspire us to lead lives of purpose, authenticity, and boundless compassion. As we integrate these pillars of Buddhist wisdom into the fabric of our decision-making, we embark on a journey that transcends the mere act of choosing. It becomes a pilgrimage of self-discovery, a transformative odyssey, where each decision becomes a brushstroke on the canvas of our evolving existence. Through the lens of mindfulness, compassion, wisdom, non-attachment, right speech, moral discipline, clarity, and intention, we cultivate a roadmap for navigating the seas of decision-making with grace, integrity, and an unwavering commitment to the well-being of all beings. May the teachings of Buddhism serve as a guiding light, inspiring us to make correct decisions that resonate with the deepest truths of our hearts. In the symphony of existence, may our choices harmonize with the universal melodies of compassion, wisdom, and interconnectedness. As we continue the journey of life, may each decision become a testament to the transformative power of mindful living and the boundless potential for positive change within and around us.